Apart from planning and selecting suitable equipment, you will also have to read and perform hand signals, especially when working in a noisy area or with overhead cranes. There are 10 basic hand signals that you must be able to use and understand. Let's run through each in turn. We begin with the signal for lift. The left hand is kept behind you, whilst the right hand makes the signal. The index finger points skyward, whilst the wrist makes a circular motion. The signal to lower is to bring the right arm down and rotate the wrist in a circular motion. Move toward the right. Keep your left hand behind you and stretch your arm, pointing with your finger to the right. Move toward the left. Use your left arm, keep the right arm behind you, stretch out your left arm, pointing with the index finger to the left. Move away from the crane operator. Both hands are held in front, palms upward. Lift and lower both arms as demonstrated. Move toward the crane operator. Both arms are used, palm downwards. Lift your arms and then lower them together as demonstrated. Lift very slowly. With your left hand on your head, signal as demonstrated with your thumb and index finger. Lower very slowly. Again, with the left hand on your head, signal as demonstrated with your thumb and index finger. Stop all movement. Keep the left arm behind you and signal. An open hand signal is then given as demonstrated. The emergency stop signal is made with both hands lifted, fingers outstretched, and the palms facing the crane operator. The signal should be learned by practicing in your work area. This concludes Program 3. Practice planning, selecting your equipment, and the hand signals demonstrated before you continue with Program 4 in this series.